Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters at haunted attractions all over the world. Come on and join me. Good morning, my people. It is 5:30 a.m. We're in here throwing down. My man got the mannequins out, so we're painting on those. And got just a little bit more to do in the maze. Got a facade, some selfie stations. No floors in this particular project. Next time we're discussing him putting down subfloor, so we could do that. But in the meantime, we're gonna throw down and conquer today. Got in early, couldn't sleep, said walls. Yeah, they're talking to me. It's gotta happen. Hey people, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, check out more videos. I'll try to sit there and put some links to the other videos from this job site in the description below. And hey, you all have a great day, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next video. You take care.